Hi, welcome to Keto with JT. I'm JT. I'm a certified keto and intermittent fasting coach. Today I want to show you how to make keto collagen pancakes. The recipe is very simple, it's easy to do, it doesn't take very long, and let's jump in with the list of ingredients. We're going to be using eggs, coconut flour, baking powder, collagen of course, and we're going to be using collagen from Vital Proteins. That's going to be our basic batter. I'm going to also tell you how you can kind of kick that batter up just a little bit if you like, but those things will be optional. First, we're going to preheat our skillet to about 350 degrees, and we're going to use this avocado spray to grease up the pan. For mixing our batter today, I'm going to use this measuring bowl. I like the little pouring spout right there. It makes it easier to pour out the pancakes. We'll go ahead and start adding the eggs. We're going to use 3 eggs. We'll crack our eggs into this bowl and mix those up. I'm using a fork today, but you can use a whisk. You can use a mixer. I'm using a fork because I want to show you how easy this is. Once we got those mixed in, we're going to start adding our coconut flour. Now, the rule of thumb for this recipe, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut flour per egg. And you're going to want to mix these in 1 tablespoon at a time because it tends to clump up a little bit and it makes it easier if you just add a little bit at a time. So let's go ahead and mix this in. Once you got your coconut flour mixed in with your eggs, we're going to add a little baking powder. Baking powder isn't necessary, but it helps to fluff up your pancakes a little bit. We're going to do half a teaspoon of baking powder, and we'll mix that in. Okay, so this is our basic batter. If you want to just do keto pancakes, this is a great keto pancake batter. But we're going to be adding collagen today, and I'm going to be adding some collagen powder from Vital Proteins. I'll be adding 2 scoops because that's what the serving size is for Vital Proteins, this unflavored collagen powder. You don't have to use Vital Proteins. You can use any quality collagen powder that you like. So we'll go ahead and mix that in. This is our keto collagen pancake batter. So I told you earlier I was going to show you how to kick this up a little bit. Sometimes I like to add a little bit of heavy cream. You could add about 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. It's not necessary, but it adds a little bit of volume to our batter. The other thing you could do is add a little bit of cinnamon or a little bit of vanilla extract if you'd like. And if you want to sweeten these up a little bit, you could consider adding a couple of tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener. Once again, you don't have to do that, but if you want to, those are some ideas. Now we're going to go ahead and pour our batter onto our skillet, and this recipe makes about 4 to 5 4-inch pancakes. Okay, now this is going to take a few minutes. You want to watch them. You want to see the edges turn a little bit kind of opaque, a little bit lighter in color, and we want to see bubbles in our batter. Once you start seeing those bubbles, we know it's time to flip our pancakes. Now it might be a little bit of a darker brown on the side. That's okay. When you start doing this, it takes a little bit of time. Even when you've been doing these for a while, sometimes they turn out a little bit darker. That's okay. It's not going to ruin your pancakes. Once we flipped them to the other side, this side will cook a little bit faster. Don't walk away and do something else. You want to stay there with your pancakes and watch them. All right, so just after about 30 seconds to a minute or so, your pancakes are done. We'll take these off and now we can enjoy them. Now you could eat these with a little Lakanto monk fruit syrup or any other keto syrup that you enjoy. Today I'm going to be using a little bit of butter, some powdered erythritol, and some berries. Oh, keto collagen pancakes. What a great little keto breakfast. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If so, please hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.